Hi, honey. What do you call Granny? What'd you call it? What'd you say? Hi, who? What'd you say? Buddy? Hi, buddy. Granny. Grant. Grant. Boo boo. Hi.
So he can walk here.
Okay, good idea, honey.
Look at your mommy.
Oh, good job, Ella. What do you call him, Little?
No, I call her little baby. I brought some babies for you.
Oh. Weź grzywkę z oczów.
What?
Get the bangs out of your eyes. Can you show me a boogie dance, please? Oh, go Ella. Go Ella. Go Ella. Feel the beat. Oh, yeah. Good job. Can you show me again? Can you show me your hip shake?
No.
What about your booty shake?
No.
Can you show me kisses?
No.
What do you have in there?
Baby cookie.
Let me see her.
Not yet. I have to get her out of here. She doesn't want to be in here. Now.
Hi, little buddy. Oh, yay! I love you guys. Are you busy?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't want you to take a picture.
Okay. Can you just tell me what you're doing?
No.
Can I take a video?
No.
Can you blow me a kiss and then I'll go away?
Take a video.
Okay. What are you going to do on the video?
This.
Ooh. Ooh, go Ella. Good job. What else?
I want the video to come on.
Okay, I'll turn it on. Hey, tell me how much I love you.
More than it. Ever know.
What about Daddy?
More than you ever know.
Oh, how much do you love us?